Hey, so if Dropbox is not starting on startup in Windows, yeah, like it doesn't open automatically when you turn on your PC, that can be pretty annoying. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. First, open Dropbox settings and make sure Start Dropbox on System Startup is enabled. I mean, this is the most common reason it doesn't launch automatically. Next, yeah, open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and check if Dropbox is enabled there. Now, restart your computer. Sometimes Windows just needs a reboot to apply startup changes properly. Yeah, try opening Dropbox manually at least once. I mean, sometimes it won't auto-start until it has been launched after install or update. Now, make sure Dropbox is allowed to run in the background. Windows settings can sometimes block background apps. If you're on a laptop, yeah, battery saver mode can stop startup apps from running. Try turning it off. Sometimes antivirus or security tools block startup programs. Check if Dropbox is being restricted. Yeah, make sure your Dropbox app is updated. Older versions can fail to register properly on startup. If nothing works, reinstall Dropbox completely. This resets startup integration and usually fixes the issue. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox not starting on startup. Most of the time, it's just a disabled startup setting or Windows blocking it. Try these steps and it should launch automatically again. Thanks for watching. Hey,